Ready to revolutionize your kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to make meal prep incredibly easy and delicious. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's 9 appliances in one, replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more. Imagine decluttering your countertops while still having every cooking method at your fingertips. It truly does it all. With 15 smart, customizable programs, cooking perfect meals is as simple as pressing a button. Whether it's stew, soup, or even cake. No more guessing. Just choose your preset and let the Instant Pot handle the rest with precision. The food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures durability, even heating, and effortless cleaning after every use. It's a healthier, non-stick alternative that will last for years, making this an excellent long-term kitchen investment. What makes the Instant Pot Duo Plus special is its unparalleled versatility and user-friendly design, perfect for busy families or aspiring home chefs. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen appliance of 2025, click the Amazon link in the description to check current prices and grab yours today. We highly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus for anyone seeking to upgrade their cooking experience and save precious time in the kitchen.